Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to maintain your Plasti dip. A lot of people say it's not going to look good after some time. There is truth to that, but it is paint, so you have to take care of it almost the same way you would paint. So if you look at this, is the Plasti dip on the back quarter of my car right now. You can see it's a little blotchy there and whatnot. There you go, it's a good zoom. But all you have to do is take a little bit of a spray detailer, mist it on, and basically give it a good clean. It is paint. Stuff does stick to it, so if you don't wipe it properly, it's gonna get a dry look. If I zoom in now, all that dryness is gone. The Plasti dip looks good as it did when I first sprayed it. So upkeep is important. Any kind of like detailing spray does have a little bit of wax and will help with some of the sun and dirt stick to it, so now it'll repel water. But that's a big difference from what we first started with. If I show you the front, over here you can see it's blotchy as well. Having a hard time getting the camera to focus in on this. There you go. It's all blotchy here also, because I haven't gone over it yet, but like you can see, it didn't take very long, and that Plasti dip looks fresh again. For the whole entire section on the driver's side, and you can see it looks a lot better. It's easier to focus on this larger area. But all that dryness looks like it's gone, and it just looks a lot cleaner. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. This is a pretty good method of maintaining it, and it does hold up really well. This is over a year on the car now, and it still looks pretty damn good. Thanks for watching.